my pigeon friends. Just wanted to make a quick update. I haven't been on for a while, as you can hear. I'm a little bit under the weather. It's been like that for about a week now. Also, you know, the birds been kind of boring with them after I pulled the flights. They're getting treatments for respiratory and all kinds of other stuff while they're locked in. We're on our 15-day countdown. They should be done molting them flights here in a couple more weeks. See if I can zoom in. Let's say that young bird there. If you see those two black tips hanging down from the flights, or from about the end of their shield, right at the bottom of the wing, that's how far they've come in yet. So they got about halfway to go, which is just about right. If you see that one, you see the same thing. They're all coming in even. Every single bird's got them coming in the same way. See if we can get that one there is the same. So is the red bar. So is the silver. Just gave the loft a little cleaning. I've basically gone up to cleaning every day now. Every day when I come home from work. I had a couple birds come down with an eyesore. I had something to do for the wife's birthday this past weekend. I left home for about 2 days, left plenty of food and water. I get back and I got two young birds that one had some kind of something in his throat. I think it was canker. And I mean, it's a very light case of canker, but it's still canker. So he's actually getting treated back there. He's one of them there. And that's the other one that had an eyesore. They're getting a treatment of antibiotics now. And then they'll be on that for another 4 days. A total of 7 days is what they'll be on treatment for. And then I'll give them some vitamins and let them sit out there about another week and make sure they're fine before I throw them back into the flying loft. I don't want anything going crazy in this loft. This is my 2019 young birds, and I don't want to risk anything going wrong with them. As y'all can see, all the birds are evenly growing those feathers out. So everybody will be ready here. Come about 2 more weeks, they'll all be ready to go. We got some beautiful ones out here. You guys can't see that most of the older ones like to hang out here because they know this is where they fly from. Let's see if I can scurry them on in. Get on in there, boy. Get on in there. There we go. There we have them, guys. We had a couple of the pigeon flyers have catastrophes hit their loft, either viruses or something of the sort. And I actually gave away about 10 young birds to help those guys out. I gave them 5 each. It was 2 separate individuals. So I'm down to 89 birds. Alright guys, we'll keep this short and sweet. Like I said, just wanted to give y'all an update, let y'all know what was going on. 2019 young birds looking beautiful. Can't wait to put these guys back in the sky. Alright guys, until next time, this has been Blessings Loft. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And look forward to seeing y'all. Like I say every time, keep them flying. Until next time, guys, God bless.